So guys, please watch this video till end because you are going to learn so many things related to spoken. And because being being a village being a village boy, being in village area, I can speak English, so you can also just follow these techniques and watch this video till end. So today I am going to tell my daily routine, and after this daily routine I am going to ask so many questions related my daily routine. So let me tell you how, so that you can also do the same. And of course, if you do this, nobody can stop you to become fluent in English. So let's start. So guys, if I talk about my daily routine, so usually I get up at 6 o'clock in the morning. I get fresh, and after that I take breakfast. After taking breakfast, I go to my farm, and in the farm I work for some time. And around 11:30 I come back home, and after that I take shower, take lunch, and then I take a siesta for some time. And in the evening I go to graze my buffaloes, and I graze my buffaloes till 5 p.m. And after that I come back home. Then I like use my mobile for some time, and after that I take dinner, go to bed and sleep. So guys, this is my simple daily routine. I didn't do anything. I just used only one structure, and with the help of one structure I narrated my daily routine. You can also do the same. So now I am going to ask some question related my daily routine. So let's start. So hello Gyanend, at what time do you wake up in the morning? I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning. Okay, so after that what do you do? After that I take breakfast. At what time do you take breakfast? I take breakfast at 7 o'clock in the morning. After taking breakfast, what do you do? After taking breakfast, I go to my farm. Why do you go to your farm? Because I have lots of work in my farm. Okay, so how do you go to your farm? I go to my farm on foot. How far is your farm from your house? My farm is 1 kilometer far from my house. Okay, so do you go alone or with your parents? No, no, I go alone, and sometimes I go there with my brothers. Okay, how long do you work in your farm? I work for 1 hour, sometimes 2 hours. After that, what do you do? After that, I come back home and I take shower. Okay, at what time do you take lunch? Well, I take lunch around 12 p.m. Okay, after taking lunch, what do you do? After taking lunch, I take a siesta for some time. Okay, in the evening, what do you do? In the evening, I go to graze buffaloes. Oh, do you go to graze buffaloes every day? Yes, I go to graze buffaloes every day. Do you go alone or with your neighbors? Yeah, I go to graze my buffaloes with my neighbors. Okay, so how long do you graze your buffaloes? I graze my buffaloes till 5 p.m. Okay, so how many buffaloes do you have? I have 3 buffaloes. Oh, that's really great. So while grazing buffaloes, what do you do? While grazing buffaloes, I make video for my YouTube channel like I'm making here. Oh, that's really amazing. Okay, fantastic. So after that, what do you do? After like grazing your buffaloes, when you come back home, then what do you do? Well, after that, I use my mobile for some time. Okay, what do you watch on your mobile? I watch some English related videos. Oh, that's amazing. At what time do you take dinner? I take dinner around 9 p.m. After that I go to bed and I sleep. So guys, today I narrated only my daily routine, and I asked some question related this daily routine. I know this is a basic video, and some of you must be thinking, oh, what a rubbish video is this is. But I'm going to tell here again, because guys, if you believe in show off, of course you can go from here. of course. And if you really want to enhance your spoken English, if you really want to speak in English, you have to go through this basic practice. If you don't do this basic practice, I am not going to say that you are going to achieve your fluency in like easy way. I'm not going to say anything. So of course I can say everyone has different mind to learn this language. Some of them say that yes, while like if you write you can become. Some of them they say that okay, if you read you can become. But in my opinion, until you speak you can't become fluent in English. So you want to become fluent in English, you want to become fluent speaker. So for that you have to speak. If you don't have partner, so just describe your daily routine and ask so many questions related to your daily routine. And after that you can go for your third person daily routine. It could be your friend, family members, and just describe their daily routine. And after that you can go for asking question. You have to speak and speak and speak as much as you can. Everyone has time, so you can speak. Guys, this is all about this video. And please follow me, subscribe me. Of course you will be fluent in English. You will be able to speak in English like me, because I have learned English by myself. I have become fluent in English by doing such thing. So of course if you do, of course you can also become fluent in English. You don't have to do anything. Just get up early in the morning and just try to describe your activity, what you do every day. And after that you can ask question by yourself. This is very good practice, because you don't need any partner, you don't need environment, you don't need any teacher, institute, because you are enough for you to become fluent English. Because you have social media, and through social media just solve your doubt and practice by yourself. Because learning things, learning learning grammar is different, but practice is different. Because if you are not speaking, so you are only learning. So learning grammar is not going to work for you. So the thing is that you have to speak every day. If you don't know so many things, and if you are thinking what should I speak because I don't know structure, so guys, first thing first, learn tenses: past tense, present tense, future tense. All the magic is hidden in three tense. If you learn these three tense, of course you will be able to speak. And after learning tenses, if you don't know anything, what you have to do, just like comment me. I will guide you, I will tell you each and everything. Because with the help of tenses you will be able to speak. And after that you don't have to do anything, just learn and try to speak every day. Then you will get habit to speak. Then you will realize that yes, now I am improving day by day, I have improved a lot. So by doing such kind of thing I have become fluent in English. Guys, trust me, I'm telling you right thing. So just start doing such thing, and of course I hope you are going to become fluent English soon. So thank you so much guys. If you like this video, please subscribe, and I will meet you in my next video. And in my next video I will tell you how to speak any third person daily routine and how to ask question. So till then, bye, thank you.